You done with the shovel, this scoopful? Okay, how about if we do that into the pool? Over here. Yeah. Let's get a new one. And we'll scoop over here. Going over your head. Boop. Oh, that's a big scoop. Do you want the big scoop? Or are you done? Going over your head. You want to empty some of that? Sure. I don't think you could pick up the scoop. It's pretty heavy right now. That's a good idea. That's very efficient. Here. Good jump. Cutie pie. You know, I set this pool up for you last winter. You didn't play in it at all. So I decided to empty it, and what do? You want to play in it. You're funny. You like your stuff. Don't change my stuff. Can you scoop? Think you could scoop? Yeah? Hello. You're adorable. Shoulder time. Yeah.